For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Rajasthan Royals pulled off one of the best run chases in the history of IPL against Mumbai Indians on Sunday's second game in Abu Dhabi. On the back of Ben Stokes' exhilarating century, Rajasthan chased down the target of 196 with 10 balls to spare and 8 wickets in the kitty. Ben Stokes gave a befitting reply to all those who were questioning Rajasthan's decision to go with the English all-rounder at the top of the order. It was timing, class, and at times brute power from Ben Stokes as he ripped apart the best bowling lineup in IPL 2020. It was a thrilling run chase and Stokes made a mockery of the best bowling lineup assembled in this edition of the IPL. Ben Stokes smashed 107 runs in just 60 deliveries against Mumbai Indians in Abu Dhabi. The hard-hitting left-hander belted 14 boundaries and 3 maximums while he registered a strike rate of over 178. Stokes was perfectly supported by Sanju Samson, who scored a fluent half-century. However, Samson's innings was overshadowed by Stokes' belligerent knock. After electing to bat first, Mumbai did well to put a total of 195 on the board. Hardik Pandya played a scintillating innings of 70 runs in just 21 deliveries with the help of 7 massive sixes. One would have thought that Hardik's knock would be enough for Mumbai to register the 8th win of the campaign. But the sheer audacity of Stokes' innings made Pandya's mammoth effort go in vain. Rajasthan's spin duo bowled brilliantly in the middle overs and stopped Mumbai batsmen to take the game away from Rajasthan. Shreyas Gopal chipped in with crucial wickets at just the right time. In his quota of 4 overs, Shreyas Gopal bagged 2 wickets and gave away 30 runs against Mumbai Indians in Abu Dhabi. The Karnataka leggy registered an economy rate of 7.50. After the game, RR skipper Steven Smith was pleased by the performance of Ben Stokes and Sanju Samson, who took the team to the finish line. Very pleased, that's what we are crying for. Use the experience, take the game deep, and that's what both Stokes and Samson did. The wicket was playing good, the ball was coming onto the bat, there was intent, the shots were flowing, and they just played good cricketing shots. I thought the partnership was fantastic. We played some good cricket in the first half. The dropped chance proved to be costly. Perhaps we ended up giving away another 40 to 45 runs, but it didn't matter in the end. It was a brilliant game of cricket, one which will be remembered for Ben Stokes' breathtaking innings. Rajasthan remain alive in the tournament, but their playoff hopes still depends on the outcome of other games.